The views expressed are solely for educational purposes. Investing in the stock market involves risks. Please consult your financial advisor and do your own research before making any investment decisions. Hello everyone. Today we're discussing Milky Mist Dairy Food Limited IPO, a company that has built a strong presence in India's growing value-added dairy market. The company operates under the Milky Mist brand and offers a wide range of products including cheese, paneer, butter, curd, ghee, yogurt, ice cream, frozen foods, ready-to-eat meals, and chocolates. Unlike traditional dairy companies, Milky Mist follows an integrated farm-to-consumer model, sourcing milk directly from farmers, processing it through automated manufacturing facilities, and delivering products through its cold chain and distribution network. Now let's look at the IPO details. Milky Mist Dairy Food is launching a book-built IPO worth 1,553 crore rupees. The issue includes a fresh issue of 1,428 crore rupees and an offer for sale of 125 crore rupees, where existing promoters will sell part of their stake. The IPO opens on August 11, 2026 and closes on August 13, 2026. The allotment is expected on 14th August and the company is scheduled to list on exchanges on 18th August 2026. The price band has been fixed at 133 rupees to 140 rupees per share. The retail lot size is 107 shares, meaning investors need a minimum investment of 14,980 rupees at the upper price band. At 140 rupees per share, Milky Mist will have a post-issue market capitalization of around 10,778 crore rupees. Based on the IPO valuation data, Milky Mist is valued at a PE ratio of 81.92 times. Now let's look at the company's financial performance. And this is where things get interesting. Milky Mist has shown strong growth in recent years. In FY 2024, the company reported total income of 1,826.86 crore rupees with a profit after tax of 19.44 crore rupees. In FY 2025, revenue increased to 2,354.79 crore rupees, while profit rose to 46.07 crore rupees. And in FY 2026, total income jumped to 3,145.01 crore rupees, growing around 34% year-on-year. The biggest highlight was profitability. Profit after tax surged to 127.01 crore rupees, registering a massive 176% YoY growth. Now let's check the key performance numbers. Return on equity stood at 32.12%, which is strong and indicates good returns generated on shareholders' capital. Return on capital employed was 11.73%, showing moderate efficiency in using the company's capital. Return on net worth came in at 33.60%, which is a strong level of profitability. Profit after tax margin stood at 4.05%, which is relatively low and shows that net profitability remains modest. EBITDA margin was 13.87%, indicating a healthy operating margin. However, the company's debt to equity ratio stood at 3.61 times, which is high and remains an important concern for investors. Now, where will the IPO money be used? Around 496.86 crore rupees will be used to repay existing borrowings. Another 469.24 crore rupees will go towards expanding and modernizing the Perundurai manufacturing facility. The company will also spend around 155.31 crore rupees on visi-coolers, ice cream freezers, and chocolate coolers. This means a large portion of the IPO proceeds will support debt reduction and future expansion. Now let's talk about valuation. At the upper price band, Milky Mist is valued at around 81.92 times earnings. Now let's compare Milky Mist with its listed peers. Milky Mist trades at a PE of 81.92 times. For comparison, Dodla Dairy trades at 24.26 times, Nestle India at 79.76 times, and Parag Milk Foods at 21.28 times. This means Milky Mist is entering the market at a significant premium to Dodla Dairy and Parag Milk Foods, while its valuation is also slightly higher than Nestle India's. The premium valuation reflects expectations of strong growth in Milky Mist's value-added dairy business, but investors will need to watch whether the company can sustain its earnings growth. Now let's discuss the key risks. The biggest concerns are the company's 1,672 crore rupees borrowings, 3.61 times debt to equity ratio, and low profit after tax margin of 4.05%. The company also faces intense competition in the dairy sector, while its premium 81.92 times PE valuation leaves limited room for any slowdown in growth. So, what's the final verdict? Milky Mist has several positives: strong revenue growth, improving profitability, a trusted brand, and a growing presence in India's organized dairy market. However, investors should carefully evaluate the high debt levels and premium valuation before making an investment decision. This IPO could benefit from the long term growth of India's packaged food and dairy industry, but valuation remains the key factor to watch. As always, investors should focus on fundamentals rather than market hype. That's all for today's IPO review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Stock Hunt for stock market updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.